Okay, we just entered the property. Just enter the property, making my way to the back to drop off the container and pick up my empty. As you saw a couple minutes ago, I stopped, I checked my my truck. I had a little pin hole on a radiator hose. I did a quick little patch on it. Now I'm gonna pull over, well, after I drop the container off, let the truck cool down a little bit and then do a repair on it. Okay, so this right here is hose repair tape. So basically it's just tape that's waterproof, and so I applied it there into, I could buy the hose because I'm pretty sure I gotta go to a dealership. So at least I'm not gonna be stranded. So I put my tape on. I'm gonna put this cover that I made back on it just to give it a little bit more protection. Before I do that, I wanna turn it on and make sure that it's not leaking. So it's right here. So something was rubbing on it and caused a little hole on it. Worst case, if the tape doesn't hold, I got a piece of PVC pipe that I carry. I would just cut it here, put the PVC pipe in between, and put 2 clamps on each side. But for now, let's see if the tape works, and we'll go from there. As you can see, my temporary fix is working. It's not leaking. I'm gonna go ahead and put this over it just to keep it more pressure on it. But at least I didn't have to call to get this repaired. As you can see, my temporary fix is working. I have no leaks. After I put the tape, I went and connected my trailer, check all my lights, locks, tires, everything that has to do with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this little cover that I made on top of it. Okay, just like that. Nothing's leaking. The truck never overheated. I'll keep an eye on it. But guys, just a temporary fix. Hose repair tape. That'll at least get you to where you need to go to buy the part. So let's go back and finish this delivery and head to the terminal. Okay, we are driving back to the guard shack so we could check out. Then we'll start driving to the highway and I'll update you guys from there.
Turn right.
Okay, we just checked out with the guard. We're gonna start driving back to the terminal. Okay, we're driving back to the terminal. We have over 150 miles to drive. Let me get to the highway and I will update you from there. Guys, I'm in Love's truck stop in Virginia off I-81. Gas price for diesel, $5.03. I'm in Virginia on I-81, 2 miles from I-77. Love's truck stop. 503 a gallon. terminal. Traffic is good, it's moving. Just want to share my drive. We got 28 miles left, and we caught our first traffic. Doesn't look like a car accident or anything like that, so I'm not really sure what's causing the traffic, but at 182. Everything seems good. I haven't stopped to check the repair because I haven't seen the temperature rise. It's been at normal, under 200. We'll check it once we get to the terminal. That's a good spot. All this noise.
Continue straight for 11 minutes to exits 19BA, I-485 to I-85 Fort Michael, Matthews.
Anyway, let's keep on going, guys. We'll go from there. We made it to the terminal. Always, guys, just watch your speed when you're entering the terminal. Okay, let me get my barcode out so I can scan it and enter the terminal. Okay, I just entered the terminal. My drop-off location is row 1, which is the first row on the left-hand side. park and we'll go from there. Okay, I just parked the container. I'm going to unhook and exit the terminal. Guys, I want to show you truck temperature right now is 195 degrees. Let's check our repair and see how it looks. You can see a little bit of water there. You can see where the water's coming. Just drove over 150 miles and you saw it was dry until I touched it. So let's go ahead and unhook and go get some rest and repair the truck. Alright guys, we're exiting the terminal. You just saw we drove over 150 miles with the quick repair we did. So it's definitely worth having it in your truck. And guys, like always, I just want to say thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, look guys, temperature is 172, 173 degrees. Let's check our repair, see how we did. Okay, truck is off right now. You could tell where a little bit of the water did run. See right here. But keep in mind guys, we drove over 150 miles down Virginia mountains and never overheated once. So for a quick fix, can't complain. Definitely worth having in your truck. Like always guys, I appreciate you. Thank you. Catch you next time.